Hi guys, this is the unboxing of my new iPod Touch. Let us see what we have in it. Wait a minute. Oh. Yoo-hoo! We have opened it. Oh my god. Do we have another sticker? No. Yes, here it is. My new iPod Touch. Why isn't it opening? Oh. Wait a minute. Oh, here it is. My new iPod Touch. Hi. How to open this? Wait a minute. Let me see. It seems quite tough. So we have unboxed it. This is the whole thing. Can't start this. We need to take a pause. Oh, I found it. This is how it goes. We should start this now. Wait a minute, we should unplug this first. Here it is. My new iPod Touch. Yuppie. My first start. Oh my god, this is awesome. It's currently not charged, so I should get it charged. We'll get back to you after I get this started. Bye.